Hey guys, today we're going to be building a job scraper that scrapes pretty much all the jobs from Google specifically, and also specific jobs you want to, and also on specific locations. And it will send it directly to your email every day, which is pretty cool. For example, this one, I will receive every day an email that says daily job updates at 8 p.m. my time with Google Cloud jobs in Spain. There you go. Date posted 22 hours ago. And well, you can do it for yourself if you're looking for jobs in recruitment or sales or customer service, specific locations, specific companies as well. So you can stay tuned with the latest jobs every day, which is pretty cool. So we're going to be using Google Cloud. It's a great project for beginners. And we're going to be using Cloud Function, Cloud Scheduler, also an API from Rapid API and a programming language Python. Now, the first step, what we're going to do is we're going to set up Rapid API. I already have an account. If not, you just have to register. And when you're registered, you will see this. And what you have to do next is just click on Search API, and we're going to look for a specific API, which is called Jobs API. Now, Jobs API will scrape jobs pretty much from Google, and you can put in specific search criteria: web developer, location, distance, language, remote, or also hybrid or in office, which is pretty cool. Also, when the job was posted, if you're looking for full-time or part-time or contractor or intern roles, and you can play around with it. It's pretty cool. Now, the first thing is, if this is your first time using this API, it will say here subscribe. You have to subscribe. There's a free model which will give you 50 requests per month, which is more than enough since you will use one per day, which is 30 per month, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So when this is done, setting it up, all we need is this API key later on, not right now. That's pretty much step one. Step two is we're going to go to your email security, which you can do right here. Just click on, well, log in through your email, click on manage your Google account, and here, search Google account. You're going to put app passwords. Click on app passwords. First of all, I have to log in. This is just like a test email. So, and here in app name, just click, well, just set up job scraper. Well, let's Google job scraper. There you go. Create. Okay, we're going to be using this in a few minutes, and this is pretty much step two. So step one was setting up the Rapids API. Step two is the setting up the app password, which is done. What we're going to do, step three, is we're going to create a bucket on Google Cloud Storage. Now, if you have already experience with Google Cloud a little bit, you have to just go to Google Cloud Buckets, create a new bucket, and we're just going to name it job scraper bucket v2. For me, since I already have one, this is just for the video. And click on continue. Just leave everything as default. Continue, create, and confirm. Okay, now that's done. And what we have to do right now is, this is step three, right? So Rapid API is done, app password is done, bucket has been created. Now step four is going to be create the function. So again, go to Google Cloud Functions, and here we're going to use environment first gen, function name, job scraper, well, just Google job scraper to email. Okay. Region, choose your nearest region. I'm going to be using US Central 1. I'm in Spain though, but I'm just going to use this one just for testing HTTP as well. And here, allow unauthenticated invocations, also allow or activate require HTTPS. So click on save. You're going to click on next. Here in runtime, you have to change it to Python 3.12. That's the one we're going to be using. Remove everything here, and you have to copy this whole code. I will leave the GitHub link below. Just copy it, go back to Cloud Functions, and paste it. Okay. Now, here in entry point, you have to put main. That's pretty much like the starting function, which is this one, to activate the programming or the script, pretty much, or the trigger. And where it says Rapid API key, you have to go back to Rapid API and copy this API key, go back to Cloud Functions, paste it right there. Bucket name is the bucket we just created, Job Scraper Bucket V2. Also replace it here with your bucket name and your email. So put your email. Mine is just a testing email, rockruchentech@gmail.com. Again, copy it, paste it here below for recipient. So pretty much you're going to be sending an email to yourself. And the subject line is as you wish. For example, if you're looking for, daily sales jobs, put daily sales jobs. And here an app password is the app password we just created to so it can access your Gmail. Copy it as well, go back to Cloud Functions and paste it. Okay. All right, so this specific search, the one I have right now is searching Google Cloud jobs in Spain, and not only remote, also hybrid. That's my preference, right? But if you're looking just for sales, I'm going to give you a quick example. You're just going to remove this. Hold on, it's here. Just sales. Country or location, you can use, I really don't know. For example, let's try, Canada. Language, English, remote only. I think you can change it to true. And that's pretty much it. So we're going to do the testing right now. And one more thing. Here in requirements.txt, we have to add requests and also Google Cloud Storage. Let me just double check. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. And I think that's pretty much it. So we're going to be testing the function right now. It's going to take like 40, 50, 60 seconds. So I'm going to pause the video and come back to you when it's ready to go. Okay. Or if we have a bug, I will come back and see what's happening. So we're going to click start testing and I'm going to pause the video right now. Okay. And we're back. So I just did like a quick test and it says here function is ready to test. But we still have to run another test here, like a pre-deployment test, and see if it works. So we're going to click on run test and see if it works. If it works fine, I should have received an email here, and it looks like it worked. There you go. Daily sales jobs. Okay, here, sales executive, remote US and Canada, sales manager, full-time. And it looks like it's working 14 hours ago, 21 hours ago, and also gives you the links where you can apply LinkedIn or talent.com, Indeed, Glassdoor, Simply Hired. We're going to do one more test and see if, let's just do something else. And for example, we're going to look for React, see if that works, and just in Germany. One more test, we're going to run it. Okay, let's do once more. It has to work. Okay, there you go. See, we received another email. Okay. Here, React Tech Lead, Germany, Senior React Entwickler, which is, I guess, German for developer or something. Software Entwickler, Front-End React TypeScript, Full Stack Engineer, Germany. Well, it's working perfectly fine. So, that's how you have to do it, just to quick recap here, you have to put your specific keyword, what you're looking for, and location as well, if you want remote only or not. Oh, wait, I made a mistake here. It's 1E. And that's pretty much it. So I think it's ready to deploy. So we're going to click on deploy. And this is pretty much step 4. So what we did is, first step is set up the Rapid API. Second step is set up the email app password right here. Third step is created the bucket. And the fourth step is this one, creating the cloud function. So we have one more step to go, which is create a cloud scheduler. So it triggers the cloud function pretty much every day at a specific time, whatever time you want. So you'll receive the email with all the jobs pretty much. So in the meantime, this is still loading. It's still deploying. We're going to create, I have 3%. Just give me 1 second. I have to connect my charger here. Yep, we're good. Okay, click on console, and we're going to click on, or we're going to just search for cloud scheduler. And we're going to create a new job, just daily sales jobs or whatever you want to call it. Same thing, US Central 1. Frequency is, for my example, I'm doing it every day at 8 p.m. So you have to use this one. There you go, at 8 p.m. If you're looking for example, at 3 p.m. in, midday, you just put 15. And or if you want to do it every week, it's different. I highly recommend reading the documentation, which you can do right here. Here in time zone, well, I'm in Spain, so click on Spain, Madrid, and click on continue. Target type, you have to put HTTP, and here we're going to put the trigger. So we're going to go back to Cloud Function, see if it's already working. Oh, it's already deployed, right? As you can see, and you click on trigger URL, just copy it right here. Go back to your scheduler, paste it right here, leave it as post, leave everything as default, continue, and we're gonna create the scheduler. And that's pretty much it. So now every day it will run at 8 p.m. my time, and you receive all the jobs with your specific search criteria. And that's it. So guys, if you have any other ideas we can automate, let me know, and I will try to make it work with Google Cloud. This is a great project if you learn in Google Cloud, and also to be, to stay on top of the latest jobs if you're looking for a job. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching.